Good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to this session on question answer session on acids, bases, and indicators. For those people we are together in the lesson or in the group, that is, they always get my communication directly. I hope right now you can hear me. So what I'm saying is that I hope you have your notes on acids, bases, and indicators from 1. So that I'll be asking as many questions as possible, and you take your time to answer me as fast as it is. I hope we are fine. Have your notes in order. We are starting anytime from now. Allow me to greet some guys here in Google Meet. Allow me to say hi to them so that we can proceed together. Good afternoon, Miguel, Areta, Timothy, and Michelle. I said good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing? Okay, nice. So now, I hope you are ready for this session on acids, bases, and indicators. You can have your notes so that if there is something you want to confirm very fast, you do it very fast. Yeah. So you get ready. You can just questioning you very fast. Yes. So I'm opening where nilikuwa prepare maswali. There is some I had prepared like 20 questions, so just make sure you answer the most maximum questions you can answer. Yesterday, I'm quite sure you were able to see who answered the most questions. In the meantime, as I'm preparing for the questions, or as I'm getting for the questions, we are starting by listing examples of acids and examples of bases. We are listing those who are in the Google Meet, list them in the chat box. Those who are following me live from YouTube, list them in the chat section. Examples of acids, and take to acids, then you give us the examples, and take a base, then you give us the examples as we are getting ready for this. Yes. I think in that way, that's how we are starting. Unajua hapo tunaanza na acids, bases, and indicators. Baadaye tutaangalia indicators. But for now, let's work with the acids and bases. Give me the examples. Those who are watching me online, you can tell me where you're watching me from. I don't know where you are watching me from. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Okay, as you are doing whatever you are doing, I'm waiting for you to give me those answers, examples of acids and examples of bases. Areta, Michael, Michelle, and Timothy. You have to give me those examples. Yes. Yeah, so even those who are following me live, we are giving examples of acids and examples of bases. It's actually just part of the starting program. Example 2, as I was opening the document, you can also start by giving me examples of acids and bases. Yeah. Kama kawaida, my student Pauline has opened the floor, and she is saying acids include hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, ammonium sulfate, sulfur dioxide solution. There is one which is not acidic there, Pauline. Kuna moja nataka uondoe from the list you have just read. Kuna moja nataka uondoe, which is not part of the acid. So utaniambia ni gani? So we will start by giving examples of acids and bases. Then from there we will define what an acid is, what a base is, and we give property. So it's you are the one to answer me these things very fast. Yes. Pauline, umejua ni gani utaondoa? Bases include wood ash, ammonia solution, sodium hydroxide solution, magnesium oxide solution, toothpaste. For the bases, very correct. There is nothing you are supposed to remove from there. That is perfect. But for the acids, kuna moja, there is an example you have given, which I'm not agreeing with you. Michelle is saying, let me add Kayla. Michelle is saying that acids include hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric 5 acid, and carbonic acid. Well, we may play safe by just mentioning kenye inamaanisha na acid huko mbele, which is still okay, no problem. Mokusu, let's look at your points. Hydrochloric acid, correct. Nitric 5 acid, correct. Sulfur dioxide, correct. But always talk of sulfur 4 oxide, don't say sulfur dioxide. It is long overdue, long gone are those days we used to call sulfur 4 oxide, that is sulfur dioxide. Ni kama kuita carbon 4 oxide, carbon dioxide. No, it is it's past time. So you say sulfur 4 oxide. Ammonium sulfate is a salt, and all salts are neutral. They are not acidic, not basic. Thank you. We were just giving examples of acids and bases. Now, I want us to define the term acid. Mwingine define the term base. Okay, we are all defining acid, then we define base, then we define indicator. I don't know how fast you can type. How fast you can type. Just to define acid, hiyo ikuje. Define base, hiyo ikuje. Define indicator, hiyo ikuje. Then from there, we see the definition. Wale watu wa Google Meet, if you raise your hand, I will give you the chance to define one of them later on when those typing have typed. Just raise your hand right now. I will identify you. Najua ni nani ndio nitampea, but si sahi. Like after 1 minute, I'll give you the chance to define either the acid, the base, and the indicator. Yeah, what to type? See, just type very fast. What's an acid? What's a base? And what is an indicator? Hey, don't take too long to type. We are defining acid, base, and indicator. Then we have given examples of acids and we have given examples of bases. So I want us to define the term indicator, acid, and a base. I've seen yours, Pauline. We shall be checking on it in the next 1 minute. So Pauline is saying that a base is a substance which dissociates in water to produce hydroxide ions as the only negative ions. Very, very correct. Who can now define acid? That's how to define a base. The same technique she has used to define, we can use it to define an acid. Amesema that it dissociates in water to give or to produce hydroxide ions as the only negative ions. Pauline, also I'm seeing your comment on what is an indicator. Yeah, I'll take you through. Let me see these guys on Google Meet. What are they saying? Kujibu maswali leo. Timothy. Michelle, Mikael, and Kyla. You don't want to define the acid and the base. Aya, adamini ni proceed na majama wa YouTube nyinyi mtaki ku define. Now, Pauline is saying that the indicator is a substance which shows a different color in an acid and a different color in a base. Very correct, but there's something kidogo, Pauline, I would like you to add to your statement to make it perfect. An indicator is a substance that gives a definite color in acid and a different definite color in a base. I will say it again, that an acid is an indicator is a substance which shows or which gives a definite color in an acid or in an acid and a different definite color in a base. Have you heard that one? Those who are following? Yeah. So who will define for us an acid? That is what has not been defined. So that's what I'm waiting for. Next from 9 a.m. we shall be discussing moles. So make sure everybody you purpose to attend. You know, I'm saying that as I'm waiting for a comment on what is acid. Shifting grades, online school, thank you. Now, let me pick one person from this side to define an acid. Timothy, will you do it or Michelle will do it? So Timothy uko class. O umeweka simu on na ukaenda kulala. Mikael, lastly, Kyla.
An acid, okay, I'm reading from my textbook. An acid can be defined as a substance in a sour taste which reacts with the base to form a salt and water only, and a substance that dissolves in water to form hydrogen ions as the only positive ion.
You have given very many definitions, but we are only picking one, and that is good, no problem. That acid is a substance that dissociates in water to give hydrogen ions as the only positive ions. But in Form 1, you can still write that reacts with base to give salt and water. But pick this one, that it is a substance that reacts with that dissociates in water to give hydrogen ions as the only positive ions. Now, I will be giving you an example of an acid. You tell me where it is found. Now, compare example of acid, unaniambia mahali inapatikana. Are you ready? So mnajua various types of acids. Some of them have given examples there. Wale wa YouTube, are you ready? I give you the type of the acid, you tell me where it is found. Someone to type yes to answer immediately. Uniambie.
Yes.
Okay. Sawa. Now, citric acid, where is it found? Kachako no type citric acid, where is it found? Just type citric acid. Unaandika citric acid found in, because unajua I will be mentioning very many. So andika where citric acid is found. Andika where citric acid is found. Andika where citric acid is found. Number 2, ukishamaliza na citric acid, andika tu citric acid is found in. Number 2, tartaric acid. It is written as tartaric acid. Where is it found? Number 3, lactic acid. So citric, tartaric, and lactic acid, where are they found? Tukimalizana hizo tatu twende zingine. Citric acid, tartaric acid, and lactic acid, where are they found? Zinapatikana wapi? So andika citric acid is found in, tartaric acid is found in, and lactic acid is found in. No, unaniandikia ukiandika tu this is found in this, unajua kidogo sijui kuna chipu gani. So lactic acid is found in, tartaric acid is found in, citric acid is found in, then you give me there. Now I think I can read. Pauline said that lemon and lime. So sijajua ni which acid are you talking about. Amy akasema citrus fruits. I hope you're talking about citric acid. Okay, sawa. Nimekuelewa sasa. Pauline, umesema citric acid is found in lemon and lime. Amy saying tartaric acid is found in baking powder. Pauline is saying lactic acid is found in milk. Wacha nione watu wengine wanasema aje huko. Watu wengine wako na kitu wanajibu, ni sawa. So let me take you through very fast. Citric acid is always found in citrus fruits. For example, orange and lemons. Umewahi lemon, ile lemon cream. Hebu siku moja ukule lemon alafu mtu akupige picha ukikula lemon kai. Hiyo sura si yako. Mtu amekwambia kwa nini unakunja sura? Ni kama umekula ndimu. Because of the acid in it, citric acid. Kwa kali. I don't know which technique inatumia kuua homa. Tartaric acid is found in the baking powder. Mainly baking powder. Also it's found in grapes. Mnapolaka grapes are fruits. Then health salts. Kuna chumvi. Ile chumvi yenye tunatumianga kuweka kupika mboga ina contain tartaric acid. Lactic acid, from lactose, it is found in sour milk. Not just milk, sour milk. Where is ethanoic acid, methanoic acid, and carbonic acid found? Ethanoic and carbonic acid. Yeah. Ethanoic, methanoic, and carbonic acid. Amy, you're calling sour milk rotten milk. It's not called rotten milk. It's called sour milk. Unaita maziwa mzuri rotten. Ni kama mtu anaita mala maziwa imeharibika. Hapana, it's called sour milk. Sawa. Methanoic, ethanoic and hii ingine ilikuwa gani? Kwa nimesema methanoic acid, ethanoic acid and carbonic acid inapatikana wapi? Those three. If possible you type once. Carbonic is found in, methanoic is found in, ethanoic is found in. Yaani kama text moja itakuwa rahisi. Ndio nisikusome mara mbili. Aya. I don't know whether you are ready for the same. Nobody knows where ethanoic acid is found. Nobody knows where carbonic acid is found. And nobody knows where methanoic acid is found. Nobody, absolutely nobody. Hakuna mtu anajua. Okay, not nobody. Those who are online right now. Hawa watu wote wenye wako online, hakuna mmoja anajua mahali zinapatikana. Now let me give you where they are found. Because nimewapea time siona mtu mwenye ama nini yangu iko nyuma. No, they are not behind. So ethanoic acid is found in vinegar. V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Vinegar. That is where ethanoic acid is found. Methanoic acid, umewahi pikwa mshale na nyuki ama wasp ama the ants that works on the crown, ikikuuma hivi na kuachia ka fluid fulani ambayo ni kali sana, it's called methanoic acid. So where is methanoic acid found? In bee stings, bee stings, wasp stings and mnajua ile plant, kuna plant fulani ukitembea ikikukosa mkuu unasikia mkuu imewasha. Why? It contains methanoic acid. Carbonic acid, where is it found? Somebody, umesema Taylor?
About like the worms that have in your leg, do they also have that acid?
No, they don't have that acid. That worm, dudu manyoya. It is those manyoya inakudunga. That's why ukishawatoa hizo manyoya hausikiangi uchungu. Lakini wasp inakuweka hata uking'oa utaenda kama unahisi uchungu. Why? Inakudunga, inakuachia acids. Carbonic acid is found in fizzy drinks, that is found in lemonade and it is found in Coke. Let me charge my laptop kidogo. Yeah, so that is it. Another one, let me ask another question as I'm judging my... Another question is, butanoic acid and tannic acid. Tannic acid is T-A-N-N-I-C. Tannic acid, where is it found? And butanoic acid, where is it found? Where it is found or where it is used? Aya, jibu hiyo. Na watu wamekuwa slow kwa nini? People are becoming very slow. Where is tannic acid found? Butanoic acid, where are they found? Yeah, Pauline, that's very correct. Ukisema I read the drinks, it's okay. We are answering the question on tannic acid. Tannic acid inapatikana wapi? And butanoic acid. Yeah, because we have to save time also. We have a lot of questions to discuss. So ndajibu hiyo alafu tusonge mbele. Tannic acid is found in tea, chai. Simnaona chai. Hata hivi nikiongea kuna mtu hapo anakunywa chai. Butanoic acid is found in cheese. CHEESE, cheese. Kabisa. Now, there are these three acids, namely hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric 5 acid. Where are they found or where are they used? HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric 5 acid. Just tell me where each one of those is found or used. Just tell me. Hydrochloric acid inapatikana wapi? Ama inatumiwa wapi? Sulfuric acid inapatikana wapi ama inatumiwa wapi? Nitric 5 acid inapatikana wapi ama inatumiwa wapi? Sawa sawa. Hiyo swali pia ni kama hujui mahali inapatikana na mahali inatumika. Beverly, uko sure hujui? Michelle Muga hujui pia? Kenanda hujui? Timo na Kaila? Haya. To save on our time, hydrochloric acid is found in the stomach. Yes. It is found in the stomach. Where is it used? It is used to clean metal surface. By the way, it is used as a metal rust remover. Oh, kuna mtu alikuwa amejibu swali hapa Pauline. Nitric 5 acid is used to manufacture dyes, paint, explosives and fertilizer. Very well. Then hydrochloric acid is used to clean. Hapo uko sawa kabisa Pauline. Hapo uko fit. The acid which is used as a rust remover is the hydrochloric acid. Yes. Sulfuric acid inatumiwa wapi? Okay, nitric 5 acid is used to make fertilizer, metal nitrogenous fertilizer, used to make explosives, and what have you. Where is sulfuric acid used and found? It is used in car batteries. Similar magari. Sila battery sawa sasa kukuja mstari gari. It's also used, then it is used to make fertilizer. And sulfuric acid is used to make detergents. I want to give you examples of bases. Then you tell me where they are found or used. I want to give examples of bases. Then you tell me where they are found or where they are used. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to know this one? Pauline, Ami, and anybody in the lesson? Can we now move to the next part? I want to get the word yes. Ndio nijue tuko si yuko peke yangu. Nataka watu watatu waandike yes. Ndio nijue pale tuko. We are discussing chemistry, acids, bases, and indicators, and right now I want to ask a question on. I want to give you examples of bases. Then you tell me where they're found. Uniambie zinapatikana wapi. For those who have just joined us, when you get time, see where we have started the lesson. Unarudi tu unaipeleka hiyo kitu kwa nyuma, uone mahali tumeanzia. What have we been discussing with? Okay. Now, that I go very fast. Just write it down there. I am giving you the name of the base. Uniambie mali inapatikana ama mali inatumiwa. Where it's found or where it is used. 1. Magnesium oxide. 2. Calcium oxide. All these are bases. Why tuanze na hizo mbili kwanza, magnesium oxide and calcium oxide. Where found and where used. Yeah, so tunaangoja tu haraka. Tutaipi maneno haraka and then we proceed. The place I am is very cold. I don't know where you are. Is it very cold? Is the place you are very cold, like this place? Someone has just texted me, you look sleepy. Yesterday, I had a show yesterday night in my channel. So, we overstayed up to very late at night. Where is calcium oxide found and where is magnesium oxide found, or where are they used? Now I'll go here. I've seen a comment from my good friend Pauline. I'm waiting for other comments. Or Pauline, tell me where calcium oxide is used, now that you are the only person answering the questions. I want to give you where calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide is found and used. So, magnesium oxide, just like Paulina said, it is used in the manufacture of anti-acid tablets. Anti-acid tablets. Yeah. Ukisikia uko na acid mingi kwa tumbo unapewa magnesium oxide. Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Okay, before you apply calcium oxide, let's answer a very good question. What is the scientific name of calcium oxide? What is the scientific name of calcium oxide? What is the scientific name of calcium oxide? Anybody who knows? Unajua lazima nitulie kidogo because watu wa YouTube wanasikiza, they get my inawafikia after 1 minute. What I'm seeing right now live on the laptop plus what I'm seeing in the camera there are two different things. So they have a time difference of 1 minute. So I'm asking, what is the scientific name of calcium oxide? I'm at the common name, it can be any. Wewe, hiyo kitu maandika ni calcium oxide na nini? Ni kama mnielewi. Calcium oxide is called lime. It's called lime. When you add water to calcium oxide, it gives you lime water. So calcium hydroxide is lime water. Now, lime, it is used to raise the soil pH. So that is calcium oxide. It is used to raise the soil pH. Lime being used to raise the soil pH. Apart from raising the soil pH, it can also add some nutrients to the soil. So where do we use calcium oxide? Now, I was saying that to shake my point. Calcium oxide is used in making cement and in neutralizing soil acidity. Niko na swali. What do we call a soluble base? What do we call a soluble base? What do we call a soluble base? Hiyo ndio nangoja nisikie mnasemaje. A base which is soluble inaitwaje? Just type very fast. A soluble base inaitwaje? Kayla anasema alkali. Very okay. Alkali is okay. A soluble base is called alkali, like Paulina said. What? Anda kukuweka sticker. Haya mwambie nakuja. So a soluble base is called alkali. Now, I want to give you two alkalis, two soluble bases, and that is sodium hydroxide and ammonia solution. Tell me where they are used or where they are found. Sodium hydroxide and ammonia solution. I'm giving you 1 minute. I want to attend to somebody in 1 minute, then I'll be back. Let's get.
post hili na wewe ya rate ndio hapo so madam hiyo ni kitu tena tusema hii bila kawaida kwa nataka hii bila kawaida sio kitu kwa hiyo patia tena patia so wale kwa hiyo patia kwa hiyo sio kwa mara kwa moja tatu ili kupiga zote hizi unajua kwa hiyo na mimi ndio nasema hivi kwa kidogo so people anaanza kitu kile to be tunaendelea kwa hiyo ya mwanzo si mimi naongea kwa watu wote ndio kupitia hapa na kupitia ndio naongea ndio unaenda kwa watu wengine kwa mambo mengi tunasaidiana na wewe sasa ile zimeisha unataka kuzimisha ndio unajua tunafanya so kwa hivi inafanya kweli kwa so ndio watu wanataka kama hii details sisi tuanze kwa insurance mwenye unaona anataka anafaa kufaidika katika kwa kwa so lazima kwa insurance yeah so what you need nazidisha unanipigia na kusizidi video namba hata hiyo madam atakupigia bila at least tunataka zisije kama client anakosa kwa kwa hapa ungelipa au ungelipa kwa haina shida haya sawa sawa kushukuru haya
sorry kwa nimepotea kidogo but I'm back, don't worry about that. Lakini kwa hapa kuna kashupa hapa kidogo na print vitu, so I was attending to a client, so don't worry about that. Now what was my last question before I left? My question was, tell me where sodium hydroxide is used and where ammonia solution is used. I thought napata watu wamenitaipia, lakini sasa mimi amoja type amoja nitaipia. Aya, no, kuna mtu ametype ammonia solution au kuna mtu sorry, polisi kwa nimeona sodium hydroxide. It's when it's used in making of soap and pepper. Sodium hydroxide is used in making of soap and pepper. So polymer is used in making of soap. It's used in making of soap and pepper. Inatumika kuondoa okay for just cleaning yes, so anything that is used in making of soap can be used as a decreasing agent. Ammonia solution, claim me the answer of this student of mine. Ammonia solution, manufacture of fertilizers, manufacture of nitric acid is used as a the old very correct only hapo ndio umeshika vizuri good. Aya, to the indicators. Now I want to ask very few questions on indicators. Can you be very keen? Can you be very keen? But before that, let me explain something kidogo about indicators so that first of all, am I audible? Can you hear me? Somebody to type for me yes. Can you hear me from the YouTube? Can you hear me? Just type for me yes. Kuna venye sometimes you can be teaching na kumbe hakuna mtu anakusikiza. When we talk about indicators, we started by saying indicators are substances which give a definite color in acids and a different definite color in bases. Good. Now we have three categories of acids. We have what we call flower extract indicators, then we have commercial indicators, then we have universal indicators. But at some point, the universal indicators can also be termed as commercial. Unaenda kununua kwa duka. Thank you, Pauline, for saying that I'm very audible. Yeah. Now, commercial, okay, flower extract indicators, sometimes called the common acid base. Common acid base indicators. Now, I want us to start by what are the advantages of flower extract indicators? Advantages of flower extract indicators. These flower extract indicators, they are obtained in a very simple way. Chukua flowers, weka kwa pestle, unaweka kwa mortar ama pestle, then you crush, then you add a solvent like propanol, ethanol, yeah, something like that. Yes. So, advantages of flower extract indicators, disadvantages of flower extract indicators. Tutashindana, watu wa Google Meet nipatieni advantages, watu wa YouTube nipatieni disadvantages. Tumeelewana? Mathematics guru Kibor, thank you for following us. So flower extract indicators. Sawa, twende kazi tuone. Ndio twende commercial. Haya, kwani hamtaki kutype? Ama ndio mko mnatype? Mnatype pole pole. You are typing slowly. Mbona usitype haraka? Nimeona watu wa YouTube wamechangamka. Tena angalia watu wa Google Meet wanasemaje? But remember, tomorrow all of us will be joining the mall lesson starting at 9 a.m. in the morning, except wale watu wa SDA from 9 to 11. 2 hours will be enough. It will be part 1 of the mall. Part 2 will come the other Saturday, then part 3 ya mwisho the other one. So Pauline anasema the composition of the flower extract changes with time, causing the color to change. Yes, I will give you a good name to what you have just written there, Pauline. Yes, I will give a very nice definition of what you are saying. Watu wangu wa Google Meet. So now let me start with the disadvantages, because watu wa YouTube wameamua ku give answers very fast. What Pauline has just written, in short, anasema flower extract indicators gives inconsistent results. Inconsistent results. Just like she has said. If you use a flower today to give to make an indicator, then that flower gives you black color in acids. Next year or another day, it may not give you a black, it will change. Or the same flower in Limuru and the same flower in Kisumu. For example, I'm dealing with the Morning Glory flower. In Limuru, I crush it, I use propanol. Ni test was in very dark blue. The other side in very green. Why? They give inconsistent results. And it only operates with one color. Tukifika commercial indicators, you will realize that there are so very many colors. Oh, kuna mtu amesema they are complicated to extract and have limited income. Yeah, sure. You know, it can only give one color in acids. So it cannot give the strength of the base or the strength of the acid. The other disadvantage of flower extract indicators is this. It can only be used when freshly prepared. It can only be used when freshly prepared. It can only be used when freshly prepared. If you prepare flower extract indicators today, for example, if I have 2 classes, I use it with 1 class. If the other class is coming tomorrow, I will not use the same flower extract indicators. Why? They are only used when freshly prepared. Now, it only has one advantage, and the advantage is it is very cheap since it can only be prepared within the school compound. After your awambiangi that mean we want to buy this, no. You just need flowers. You send students to go and pick flowers from the outside there. You crush, you add propanol, you have your indicator. But remember, it cannot give the strength. Trend number 2. We are typing examples of commercial indicators. Then after that we give their colors. But for now, let's give examples of commercial indicators. Commercial indicators. Now pair 1 minute. Commercial indicators. Let's give examples of commercial indicators. We shall be stopping at 4:10, so we'll stop the class, follow up to the end. Examples of commercial indicators. I'm believing you are typing now. Kuna mtu ametype. Hebu nione Mkenya amesahau. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. Very well, Pauline. Those are the examples. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. Then nione watu wangu wa kukulimit wanasema aje. Wanasema kina Michelle Mungai wanasema methyl orange, phenolphthalein, bromodiamol blue, which is still okay, but not commonly used. For example, litmus, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange, which is very well okay. Are we together? Good. Now, the next is we are working with litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. What is the color of litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange in acids? So that's the name. What is the color of litmus paper, phenolphthalein, orange in acids? Tukijibu then phenolphthalein and methyl orange in yes. Yes, let's type very fast. Those who are typing. I have seen what you have typed, Pauline. Let me wait for some people here so that one can. Sasa Michelle ukisema red, colorless and orange, unajua sasa red ni wapi? Ama umefuatilia? Okay, sawa, nimekupata basi. Michelle Munga amesema ni yellow. Tutaangalia sasa hii tuakiri ni gani. Okay. Acids, can you say it is red? Acid, it is pink. Phenolphthalein in acids, can you say it is colorless? Kuna ingine inaitwa screened methyl orange, it is purple. Hiyo kama uko unajua andika screened methyl orange, it is purple in color. Right. Up to the point, I'm very clear. Now, the same indicators, litmus paper, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, and the fourth one, screened methyl orange, give me their color in bases in solution form or in alkalis. Bases in solution form or in alkalis. There you go, now 1 minute. Now 1 minute. Kibora anasema litmus red, sawa. Phenolphthalein ni colorless kabisa. Hapo iko sawa kabisa. Kuna mtu ameamua kuja kufanyia show nje ya studio yangu. Litmus paper blue, phenolphthalein maliza alafu nisome yote nani Pauline. Mnasikia ngoma? Mnasikia ngoma? Mnasikia ngoma? Yaani mtu tu from nowhere anaamua kutoka nje ya maliza lesson, tuende tukutane. Kwa hili mtu mzima ameamua tu kwangu ndio atakuja. Aya, mark your work very fast. Andika hivi. We are in the color of the indicators, commercial indicators in soluble bases. Tulisemaje? A soluble base is called alkali. So for litmus paper, it is blue. For methyl orange, it is yellow. Phenolphthalein, it is pink. Screened methyl orange, it is orange. Yes. Now, Ni sawa, waje nisiende mbali kidogo, lakini mnipatie nao tumalizie kwa neutral. What is the color of the following indicators in neutral substances? We are in neutral. What's the color in neutral? Anyone who has not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so very fast. Tuara kidogo ndio we do something else. Sitaki tukae sana. We are writing the colors of those 4 indicators in neutral substances. And you know examples of neutral substances? Water and salts. Salts are very neutral. Nimaliza ile suluhu nilikuta na watu wanakuja kutuangia ngoma kwangu karibu na kwangu. Paulina anasema in phenolphthalein is colorless, correct. Litmus paper is purple, correct. Methyl orange in neutral, mathemaje, Pauline? Methyl orange in neutral. It's orange, correct. Now let me ask this a question. Our other question today is, what is the advantage of flour? What is the advantage of commercial indicators? Phenolphthalein, litmus paper, methyl orange, screen methyl orange. What is the advantage? And what is the disadvantage? One each. One advantage, one disadvantage. Yes, it's our second last question for today. You're almost there. Yes, we are looking at the advantages of commercial indicators and the disadvantages, but we are just giving one in each case. Yes. Paulina Madama gives consistent results. It's true. That's the advantage. Now, what are the advantages of litmus? So, advantages of commercial indicators. One, they can be used over and over again. In fact, the commercial indicators I used last time is still, or are still there in the lab. I will use it next year. Good. Number two, another advantage is they give consistent results. Just like Paulina said, they give consistent results. They give consistent results. They give consistent results. Disadvantages is they don't give the strength of the acid or the base. They don't give the strength of the acid or the base. Inakuwa hii substance ni acidic. This one is basic, but it cannot tell you how strong that acid is or how strong that base is. Menipata about that point ya advantages and disadvantages. Kama umenielewa niwekee yes hapo. Nataka tuingie kitu inaitwa universal indicators. Kama tumeelewana sema yes, kama bado niambie ni nini unataka nirudie kukuelezea. I want us to look at the universal indicators. Universal indicators. It is still part of commercial indicators, but it is in advanced stage. In the lab, a universal indicator can either be a liquid, or a paper. So we have universal indicator solution. And then we have universal indicator paper. This one, it gives a wide range of colors. After umeweka kwa test tube na ukaweka kama ni solution, you see the color. Unaitafutia the color yenye inafanana nayo. There is a paper called chart paper. It's called a pH chart. So kazi yako tu ni kuona inafanana na kala gani, then you can tell the pH of that particular acid. I will tell you how. Now, so what is the advantage of universal indicator? So it gives the strength of the acid or the base. It can be used for a very long time. Yes, it gives consistent results. The disadvantage is it is very expensive. By the way, the other disadvantage of commercial indicators, they are also very expensive. I think you're going to myself say me. Are you together? Someone to give me the range. Okay, kuna kitu inaitwa pH scale. pH scale is a scale that runs from 0 to 14 and shows the strength of the acids and bases. What is the pH scale of a neutral substance? What is the pH scale of a neutral substance? What is the pH scale of a neutral substance? What is the pH scale of a neutral substance? What is the pH scale of a neutral substance? Then give me the pH scale range of an acid and the pH scale range of a base. Thank you, Pauline. Neutral is 7. Neutral is 7. Give me the range. You know, neutral is just 7. But for acids and bases, it is a range from this to this. Can you give me the range of the pH scale of acids and bases? Paulina amesema acid is from 1 to 6, hiyo ingine ni 814. Great. Strong acid ni 1 to 3. Weak acid ni 4 to 6. Strong base is 12 to 14. And a weak base is from 8 to 11. Great. Yes. Kuna swali, andika swali hapo. Hii utaenda ukijibu mwenyewe. Are you ready? What is the difference between concentrated acid and strong acid? Hiyo hata sitaki kujibu hapa. Just go and answer yourself somewhere. What is the difference between concentrated acid and a strong acid? Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Kwa YouTube, wachana na watu wa Google Meet. Can you hear me? There's some settings imechange kidogo. I want us to finalize with the following questions. If you can hear me, please type yes. I don't know. What the Google Meet? Can you jump that right ya YouTube? Niambie kama mnanisikia. Let me proceed with hope that you can hear me. Timothy, can you just skip that side to Windows if I'm audible enough? Sawa. Now, let's look at these questions. Question 1. Name 3 mineral acids. Which of these acids play role in digestion of food? Name 3 mineral acids. Name 3 mineral acids. And which of these acids plays a role in the digestion of food? Oh, thank you, Nguli. Name 3 mineral acids, and which of those 3 mineral acids, play a greater role in the digestion of food? Or simply, in other words, wanauliza which of those acids inapatikana kwa tumbo. I'm waiting for you, mniambie the 3 mineral acids. What wakubwa hivi ile kuni na watu wanga. Bevan. What mshaenda? I'm waiting for your text, Bevan. Let me, because I have 4 minutes before the end of the lesson. Mineral acids include hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Which one plays a great role in the digestion of food? Hydrochloric acid. Last question for the day. Last question for the day. Last question for the day. What is the pH of the rainwater? What is the pH of the rainwater? What is the pH of the rainwater? Give a reason for your answer. What is the pH of the rainwater? Give a reason for your answer. Is the pH of rainwater? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, it is 6.5. It is 6.5. Why not 7 like water? Because we are saying that water, you can pH as 7. Why not 7? Why not 7? Why 6.5? 6.5, it means it is slightly acidic. Yes. Timothy, hiyo unajua? Timo, hiyo ujui? I want us to end there by, okay, let me read this answer.
I thought Pauline unanipea reason why rainwater has a pH of 6.5 and not 7.
But of course, I will answer you that question, Pauline. Pauline is asking, please spell the name of the acid used in tea and the one used in cheese. How you the name? In the meantime, give me the reason why the pH of water is 6.5. The acid found in cheese is called butanoic. Wacha niandike hivi, butanoic. Butanoic acid. But already Okay, pitanoic acid. Are you seeing that? And the one found in butanoic, it is found in cheese. Tannic acid, the one I'm typing now, and then it is called, okay, it is the acid found in tea, tannic acid. Are we together, Polly, now? Umeona spelling? I'm waiting for your response, but we end the lesson there for today. So the announcement we have is this: tomorrow from 9, we shall be discussing the mold. Part 1. I will discuss it in the 3 weekends, part 1, part 2, and part 3. So I take this chance to wish you all the very best. Have a nice stay. Have a nice weekend. Though we shall still be meeting tomorrow. Receive much greeting and love from Ambassador Foundation. So, what am I saying?